To do a threaded running stitch, we first start with a running stitch. So bring your needle up through the back of your work, go 1 stitch length forward, down into the fabric, go 1 stitch length forward and come back up through the fabric, and another stitch length forward, down through the fabric, and try to keep that as even as possible. And now we will go back and thread the running stitch, and to do that you can use either the same color thread or a different color thread, and I will show you how to do both. So bring your needle up just to the side of your running stitch, and then coming from whatever side of the line you're on, we're going to take our needle and go down underneath, slip it underneath the next stitch and pull it through. And then now we're on the bottom of the line, so we'll come from the bottom of this next stitch and run the needle under that way. And then now we're on the top, so we'll run the needle under this way. And I want to show you what it looks like using 2 different colors of thread. So I've switched my thread to this mint color here, and we're on this side of the line now, so we're going to go under, and then under from the top. And then since this is the last line in the row that we're doing here, instead of bringing it under, I'm just going to go underneath the stitch to the side here and then bring my needle through the back. That way it kind of looks like it's going under, but it's not really, so it follows the same pattern. And then you can kind of adjust these to make them a little bit more even. So you'll see if you use the same color thread or 2 different colors of thread, you'll get a different look for this wavy line either way. And it's a really pretty decorative stitch to put on borders or anything that you can imagine. And that's how you do a threaded running stitch.